Mami Mapao Miyang Tabiri Bupum na Magpunga Sigi, Marifu Humdoirak Suba episode Sida Danip na Taram Okcheri, Bumna Magna Tambira Kiba feedback Amadisa Jason Singi the Maktasu, Hiningay Laitana, Tagat Pufundo Cheri. Ngasige episode Sida, Kari Karamba Mapao Sing, Puzirak Liba Haibadu Tamzage, Rock band Innocent Eyes na Anirak Shuba Northeast Multimedia Campaign 2020 gi winner, Oirak Kibigi Paudam na Ahanbadu Tamzari. Ani Subadu Tamzari, Maidik Haini Mingtonduna, Nong Putokadaba, Manipuri feature film Amagi, Yafa Taunigi Mapao. Lianda Folk and Classical Academy Foundation Day Celebration gi Paudam na, Ahum Subadu Tamzari. 15 August, a love story Haini Mingtonba, Miyamda, Kudol Tamna Malakna Ribagi Paudam na, Mari Subadu Tamzari. Mga suba amadi aroibo ina Tamzari ba Mapao asina, Shumangula Festival Hogdo Kibagi Paudam. So viewers, ngasig ahamba Mapao ina Tamzari ba, HIV/AIDS ki mayokta nako na tataba campaign amagi manung channa, awang nongpo kitakta pang tokpa anirak shuba Northeast Multimedia Campaign 2020 rock competition da iramdam asigi maming lairaba rock band Innocent Eyes na winner oya kibagi Paudam asi punilang minute.
Mayang ukaramzare ay giming tenjin program mamadom na yung binibase Mami Mapao ki amamuk ngasigi ako'y na mayamda Mapao mamupuzare ngasigi Mapao sana ako'y ki Music Against HIV or AIDS haiba bot na hauzik pangthok liba Manipur natrana ako'y ki Northeast ki manung dalay liba state nipan pun na bands nipan pun na sarong yada na mako'y ki maragta competition tawraga ako'y ki HIV amasong AIDS ki against the cause amakakaloy na ako'y ki pandam amakakaloy na adum pangthok sa badug matawram ni mayam da bensing siga waris hado na nga sige thorman sige matam da kari wakan lo lebigi mayam pun na kang minis. Ako'y hojik laijariba si ako'y Innocent Eyes hairiba ako'y band aduga ni ako'y ngasigi Manipur represent tawgadariba competition sida Northeast ki state nipan gi maragta ako'y Manipur represent tawgadariba adugumba band amakak ni
aigi ming Raj Ekpam aduga aina Innocent Eyes ki frontman
aigi ming na Paikomba khangabam ai Innocent Eyes ki band manager oin lejabani
aigi ming na Dinesh Saikoma adu Innocent Eyes ta drummer oin na lejabani
aigi ming Thoksom Kishan aduga aina bassist
ai ming Nonglen na Thokpam aina guitarist ne
I mean Johnson Ekpam keyboardist oin leibne
I mean Ronald Comantem guitarist
ngasigi preparation se tawnabagi da magta hadi hana di Manipur gi manung dani hojik namuk 8 all over the 8 states of Northeast moiga competition tawr ka doine preparation se kyam kuina tawbigi ge
akoina Manipur Idol winner hek oire haiba numito adudagi akoi mona hare samana akoi Northeast Idol si akoi kenoda December dum tawni tormane adu irang khara situation phatabdagi postpone tawgemne ba adudagi matam phare akoi ju matam leiri na adum akoi je adum 24 hour adum pulla leiri ha ayukta dum lunch adum sarga isai kamai tawse adum tairap se tawna ba honabda matam se adum akoi yumda saksa ba khotpa adu katang atai matam gade akoi ben se dum gm tawdana khotana adum tawr leire
8 states atopa 7 states dagi laiba ako'y Mizoram dagi Nagaland dagi laiba band sing se hana dagi aware oi bibra khwai dagi competition se da khwai dagi tough oi gadaba band je karam mane ne khalle
Manipur ako'y ki Siroi Lily Music Festival se sida ako'y pull up mahai de competition yaumina giba band ama yawe larger than 90 na Meghalaya dagi moise dum fazai dagi Nagaland dagi band ama yawe ado moise tough oini na khalle
isa da nervous oiba phawbi bro kamai to bigi handa ki preparation ji gi matungina
preparation ji gi matungina di aigi brothers aigi manaba aigi chinau myam je kamta preparation ji full satisfied phangani haba thajai well performance tawgani haba do ado mai thajable
Manipur represent tawgadaba Innocent Eyes ta Mami Mapao gi maikai dagi all the very best Queen Hozik, Laminar Ben Asina Meghalaya Dagini, that is larger than life. Okay, Mamang the Manipur, the Dumak performance, Tograba, Duguma Benamakani. So, welcome to Manipur once again, that larger than 90, right? Yeah. So, you guys did awesome. First of all, I just watched their performance and they just rocked the stage. So, what do you think of yourself? Like, how was the performance?
we had so much fun. I mean, it was great. Everyone is enjoying the music, and we wanted to spread the message which we want to do, which is really important. Why we are here, and we want to thank Nakos for the opportunity. Manipur, we always love this place, man. I mean, like whenever we come here, we always have fun, and it feels like a second home, actually. Yeah, we really do, and we enjoyed a lot.
So, how many years has been since you guys have been together? Like since the band has been formed?
It's been one year, 2 months. 1 year, 2 months. Yeah.
You guys is doing so well.
So much. Thank you so much. It means a lot. Actually, the energy which we get from the crowd are insane. I mean, we just love it. Even when we were here before also, like we've been here 3 times. First She-Rock, second Wilderness, and then this one. Both the 2 show before also, it was really good. So yeah, much love to the place, man. You guys can follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Mostly Instagram and YouTube, because we post our stuff over there only. And you guys can even listen to our album on Spotify, iTunes, Amazon Store. It's available on every digital stores like that. Yeah.
So guys, follow that. Larger Than 90. The guys also they're so awesome. Their music is perfect. I love it, and you guys should all follow. And all the very best for your competition. I hope you guys win. Thank you so much. Ako na matang laiba band group asina they are called Reloaded. Mako sa Arunachal Pradesh ta kini ako ki ngasi music against HIV or AIDS hari bisida competition asida participate to bala apani.
Actually, this band was formed in 2015.
Are you ready for the performance? Your guys are next, right?
Yeah, we are ready. Yeah, we are reloaded. We are thinking of maybe we'll be participating in She-Rock or like Hornbill Festival in the future.
Right.
So maybe.
That's awesome, man. All the best for the future performances, and all the best for the performance also in the stage right now. Ako na matang ngasi wari sana kadori ba matang guest asina ako gi Mizoram dagi lagliba Boomerang hairiba band adugi represent toriba misaka makhakni ako gi competition asi saruk asida di yaudaba adubu ako gi Mizoram khakna tanam all over the country the represent tawgraba adu muga band makhakni haija batare.
I'm the guitarist of the band. My name is Buma Hang Singh.
So how long has it been since you guys are playing together?
I think we've been playing together for about 10 plus years, 15 years maybe, something like that.
So you guys have been you guys have such names. Boomerang has been in all over the Northeast. Every band is looking up to you. You guys have represented not only your states but all over the country, and then you guys have also performed in a lot of other states also. But I would like to know, how is it in Mizoram? The bands, how are they doing? Are they able to live their living through performing band and through being a musician in a band? How is it in Mizoram?
In Mizoram, it differs from person to person. If you're good, surely you'll make a living. But then if you're not so good, and then if you're not lucky as well, it will be.
Are the audience accepting it?
Yes, of course. Yeah, of course. Yes, we have a good following in Mizoram also. But then the issue, in the entire country, if we don't play Bollywood, it's hard to get noticed, and earn a proper revenue just from touring is quite difficult.
So how many times has been since you guys have come to Manipur, and how do you like Manipur?
This is our 5th time.
Okay.
And then we love Manipur. Yeah, we love the people, we love the food, we love the culture. And then it's home. It's home.
And we love you too. And then are you guys looking forward to coming for more performance? I heard you guys are not in the competition, but you guys are just coming for the performance. That's such a kind gesture. And are you guys coming for more? Any kind of promotions you like to give? A message you want to send out to the people of Manipur?
Absolutely. Call us for a gig and then we'll come. We've only been to Imphal so far. We would really love to go to Churachandpur and other places also. So I'm just a phone call away or WhatsApp away. So it's every day. So we would love to come back. Absolutely, absolutely.
And you guys are always welcome. Thank you so much for your time, and all the best for the future.
Iramdam asigi maming leraba rock band Innocent Eyes na anirak suba Northeast Multimedia Campaign 2020 gi winner oibangam krei. Northeast United Against HIV/AIDS have team da Palace Compound leva Vega Chandra Open Air Theatre da Manipur State AIDS Control Society Max na sinduna tha sige hoke batang tarukta awang nungtuk state nipan khangkalaba rock band nipan na saruk yaduna changdam nabadu pangthok kibane Manipur gi tongan tongan ba district da khangkalaba rock band taruk na saruk yaduna hoke December ama gumzalo singani tarama panda pangthok kiba Red Ribbon Manipur Idol 2019 da Innocent Eyes na winner oiduna awang nungtuk ki thak pangthok competition asida saruk yabagi tanja phangkibani amadi mai palakibani gumzalo singani taratare ras ek pamna vocalist Nonglen Athokpam amadi Ronald Kumantham na guitarist Gison Elias Amothokcham na bassist Dinesh Saikom na drummer amadi Johnson Ayekpam na keyboardist oiduna sapong lakiba Innocent Eyes hariba band ase Sirui Festival gi manungchana pangthokpa Sirokta thangna na kumjali singani taratare taranipan taramapanda band ase gi vocalist Ras Ayekpam na bass vocalist takiba galoina Sangai Festival 2018 gi Sangai Festada best band amadi best vocalist ki mana lobangam krei ningsing bayabade sahi kunma pandi makhada leba inkhalak liba na singbo HIV/AIDS ki matang mamutana khangan bahaiba ningthi jarab pandam galoina na nakona chathariba campaign asigi hauki kumjal singani tarama panda pangthok kiba ahanba edition da so iramdam asigi rock band The Wizards na winner oibangam kibani
Ngasigi event music against HIV or AIDS Northeast United against HIV or AIDS haiba event aduda akoi gi Manipur gi band haijaba tare Innocent Eyes na represent tawraga atopam state ki Mizoram amasung Nagaland Assam Meghalaya aduga akoi gi Northeast da leiba ichinau mayam gi band asiga mayam punna unaduna mayam ga Mapao makhak mayam na yemina khare ngasigi adom gi host tenzing program amasung camera person bino ka loina na dombu Mami Pao gi section asi ngasigi adum pangthok sabani mathangi section dumak mayam punna ngai minisi keep watching Impact TV. Thank you so much.
Congratulations Team Innocent Eyes makatarakpa band gi khongchat mai pakpa iramdam gi mingchat purakpa ngambo soidana oibiu haina thamsari hauzik mathanga lokha chariba Capidas ki direction da Beer Films ki aham khudol oina puthokadaba mairik haina mingthon ba Manipuri feature film gi yaifa thawning gi paudam asi lominas
Beer Film Production ki ahan boina puthokadaba mairik khaina mingthon ba Manipuri feature film gi yaifa thawni Mami konghau gi thawram tha sigi hoki tang manga da Imphal gi Palace Compound leba lamyan musanglen da pangthokrei thawram atuda Film Forum Manipur gi President S Mangolzau Vice Chairman Virendra Salam amasung saknairba filmmaker L Surizakanta sir mana mathang sina chief guest of honor amadi president toina saruk yaki Binoranjan oinam gi story amasung screenplay da KP Das na lamjing lamtak tuna pankhat kadoriba film asigi producer Malem Line oiri amadi Avi Kundrakpam Soma Laishram Gapelina Mangolzau Prem Sharma Indu Rosa Saikom na chingba saknairaba bi keana mamiro ising oina saktam langduna film asigi thawai hap kadori
Maming lairaba miyamna pamnariba mamiroi kayana saktam langgadoriba film ni atenba matamda mai pakna aso engam yaudana puthokpiduna miyamgi thawal fangbu oisanu matang sawai atenba break amakhat lawzage Impact TV mi ingtaduna leibi Break matunga sida meeting tabiri bumna mapu amukka hanna taram no okcheri adomna meeting tabiri ba asi Impact TV da sandok cheri ba Mami Mapao gi marifu humdoirak suba episode ni makha chathajarak po oina Leanda Folk and Classical Academy ki chahi oibu kumon thoram JN Dance Academy da mapung fana amadi mai pak na pangthok khibigi paudam asi meeting tamis
Leanda Folk and Classical Academy Imphal gi taramapalak suba mapuk kumon thoram thasi gi hoki batang mapanda Imphal gi JN Dance Academy de pangthokrai thoram de academy sigi artist sing sarugyaba sangai siroi lili nongyin uning thau pengba madi polon sing kyabu kanna na wakalolda yumpam moiba kanglei saitharol haina mingthonba folk dance amasu nongna putoktuna khudol tamki Kumza listing ani subna amada sapong kiba academy sigi kumon thorom du mari lenana child artist singi Dhyana Shloka yauna Hari Riha Kom dance Mau dance amadi lai haro jagogi thaugal sing miyam lanthoki
Malayam da saktak liba iramdam gi nat ki jagoibu hogalak liba tungi mirol da takpi tambiram bagi achobo thaudang adubu lobiri ba academy asigi kumon thoram yamna mapung faba ama oiki hena mai pakpa hena khumang choksin ba purak po oi sanu haina thamjari hauzik ngasigi mari suba mapao oina lokhat cheriba Krishna ningomam ni direction yauna mapung oiba thaudang kya lauduna puthokpa 15 August a love story haina mingthon ba Manipur feature film MSFDS the lakli ba February 23 da premiere utkadoi ba sigi paudam asi dominas
NKAMBT Pictures ki banner makhada Impact TV na media partner roiduna 15 August a love story Hanmington ba Manipur feature film ma tha sigi lakavar betang kulum doida Palace Compound le MSFDS ki changkhola auditorium da premiere utkadauri Film asida Surma Ningomam gi Sairol Singh Zidan SH ki music loinana Dhanubina sahek tamba loinana abung na makeup Bachapan Yaripok na costume design to gi Sintha Singh Pangnari Krishna Ningomam gi story screenplay dialogue choreograph cinematography editor amadi direction makada pankhat iba film asigi producer Bizu amadi Bozi anina oibaga loinana iramdam asigi miyam thoina pamnariba mamiroi Boni amadi Bala anina maruiba sakam
Miyam na pamnaba mai papa film ama soidana oibu oisanu haine Mami Mapao gi team gi mai kaidagi film asigi production team da risk bizari mayam se premiere so asi soidana nanthok hanbiganu and viewers ngasigi manga suba aroi mampao oina thamjari ba nifu nipan lakshuba All Manipur Shumang Lila Festival 2019-20 mai pak na hodok hibagi paudam asi kamdo bono haibadu mayam punna amuk intamnesi
Numit kuni thoini chup na chathagadaba Nipur Nipalak suba All Manipur Sumang Lila Festival 2019-20 Palace Compound da laiba iboyama Sumang Lila Sanglenda tha se gi hoki batang tarani thoida hodokrai MLA Dr. Y. Radhi Shyamna thobi mitungen oiba galonena MLA TA Setaberta Art and Culture Commissioner M. Zoina Chingba Saknair Basing amadi art pupam job mioi kyana sarugya kiba festival hongdopung thoram maduda mamang da pangto kiba ni putarelak suba All Manipur Sumang Lila Festival 2018-19 da makong mathang takrab lilaro isingi mafamda manam matum yentoktuna ikai kumna basu utki
Festival saruk yabiri ba iramdam asigi lila look amadi lila rotum namak ꯑꯗꯣꯝꯒꯤ ꯄꯔꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯁꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯇꯤꯡ ꯂꯩꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯊꯥꯖꯕꯗꯨ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯃꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯎ ꯃꯇꯥꯡ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯇꯦꯟꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯤ ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤ 에피소드ꯇ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯃꯄꯥꯎ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯃꯊꯦꯜꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯣꯝꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯌꯨꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯕꯇ ꯐꯣꯂꯣ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯗꯨꯅ feedback amid suggestions sing soidana thambiramu until then keep watching Impact TV. Have a great time. Bye.